So it is Thursday. It's traveling day. It is 1:42 a.m. There we go. I'm ready to go, and I think I am. I did sleep. I slept a little bit. I didn't sleep till after 9, but I'm so sleepy. Like, I'm ready to be in the hotel room already. I'm not gonna drink any coffee. I'm not going to eat anything. I'm just gonna wait until I get to the airport because I just can't deal with it right now. We will be on our way soon. So we are in Miami, and we have about 7-hour layover. I am getting some sushi. It is 9:42 in the morning, but you know what? This is where I go every time I come to Miami Airport and I have a layover, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm getting sushi, some shrimp tempura with some other stuff, and then some gyoza, but I think I'm gonna take the gyoza like in a box because I think 6 pieces come with it. So, and I got my chai iced tea, which is delicious. And yeah, we're gonna find a place to camp out until I board. I always forget how to use chopsticks. Try to make it work. So we are done eating. I got my little to-go bag, and we are going to camp out somewhere. Hopefully there's nobody at the gate where I actually got to go to, but it is 10:26 right now. I don't board until I board in 6 hours and 38 minutes. So let's go walk around for a little bit. We are at the gate. I'm gonna chill out here for a little bit and probably bust out my laptop so I can transfer some stuff. I think I ate too much. Now I'm really sleepy, but I'm not gonna take a nap here or anything. But I did take a little power nap on the plane, so that was nice. We'll be here for a while, but I think right before I board the plane, I'm gonna go to Half Moon Empanadas and get like maybe 1 or 2 empanadas to go with my gyoza, so that way I'll have something whenever I get to the hotel, because I'm not sure if the restaurant's going to be open. I know they have a restaurant there. I don't know if it's going to be open by the time I get there, because I get there at like, I want to say like 8:15, and I can't remember exactly how far the airport is from the hotel, so just to be safe, just to have something. I'm here. Okay, so I just got to the hotel. So while I was in Miami, I had a delayed flight, and I think it was delayed by like an hour or so. So it's now almost 11 o'clock, but I've been here for a while. So I'm at my hotel. I'm staying here for one night, and then I'll be going to my hostel tomorrow, staying there for a couple of days, and then I'll be going to Guasape and staying at a hostel there. But I thought I'd give you a room tour before I start getting ready for bed. Okay, so here is the front door. And this is the bed. Got a little desk, TV. She said there's Netflix on here. I don't know if I have to have an account to log in on there or what, but little hanging area. Love this bed. Hello. And then I really like this. I like the bathroom. Oh, I didn't even try to close the door. Kind of noisy. Look at how cute that is. I wish this was like part of an apartment I lived at or something. So here's the shower. Really nice. Has a little step down. Glass door. Not too fond of the shower head. Hold on. There we go. Not too fond of the shower head, but you know, it's whatevs. There I go again. Then the toilet. And this big bed. So yeah, I am excited. I don't even want to sit down in the bed yet because I feel all gross. Yeah, I think she said breakfast is 7 to 10. Oh, by the way, I successfully exchanged my money. This is the first country that the lighting's good right here. What was I saying? The money exchange. So that actually went very well. This is the first country I've ever been in where I had to exchange money, the currency. So that was really nice. Actually, I'll show you that real quick. I was really nervous because I didn't know like how to count it, you know, but when I was exchanging the money, like the lady actually like kind of explained it to me while she was counting out. I'm like, okay, that makes sense. So, but look at this. Look at that. It's so like, here's 100 mil or 100,000. This is so cool. I'm definitely gonna save some of these. I gotta figure out the denominations, but why is everybody else's money like so different and unique? Oh, I didn't even realize that was like way shorter. But that's so cool. Like, we got the boring green. I mean, ours is getting a little, no, it's not getting better. It's still bleh. But look at this purple. But anyways, so there's that. So I know how to count that now. But yeah, it's shorter. Like, look at the twos is shorter. Interesting. I feel fancy with this though. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. So I'm glad I got that situated. Then I was able to, back up a little bit. Then I was able to find out where to get the SIM card, right? So I have an iPhone. It's unlocked. It's paid off. It should be unlocked, right? No, it's not. So she immediately was like, no, your service provider, it's not unlocked. So couldn't do nothing with that, but I have this Android phone. I actually bought this before I went to, like right before I went to Ecuador, because I still had this locked, you know, it wasn't paid off yet. So I was like, I need to get a phone, but I'm so happy I got it. I actually used this phone in Ecuador and I was able to like video chat with my parents. But yeah, I almost didn't bring this. But I'm so glad I did because this is already unlocked. Yeah, I just need to figure out how to make outgoing calls. No, I don't, because honestly, I can just call my parents on the Alexa thing. Yeah, I'll just do that. But I do need to download Maps on here because I downloaded it on my iPhone, but not on this phone. So yeah, it's been a long day. I'm gonna shower and I'm going to just relax, so. Yo, they have Netflix in here. And you know what I'm gonna watch? Oh. Hold on. So we could either watch something that is near and dear to my heart, that actually started this whole journey, or we can watch something new, something that I haven't seen before, because there's another show where they just posted their last season, which thank God, because that series just needed to end. So we could either watch that or just the classic. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we could either watch this, Elite, which thank God this show is ending because it does not need to keep going on. Like, it should have ended after the 3rd season. But anyways, so we could either watch that or bam, this is what started my whole solo travel. Let's see if anybody has been watching this. Yep, part 2, episode 4. Oh man, look, it's the professor. It's the professor. Yo, but where should I start? Maybe I'll go to maybe I'll just watch it from here, because the first heist was actually pretty amazing. Oh, I'm so excited. And I watched this in Spanish plenty of times, so it's no different. I go back and forth. I watch this series, like, I don't even want to admit how many times I watch it, but I watch it both in English and in Spanish, like, multiple times. So okay, I think I'm gonna watch this while I eat my empanadas. I got some cold empanadas, but you know, it'll do. And then also, I brought my tarot cards with me, so I might do a little tarot journaling. I'm so excited. Okay, now good night.